new Genesis G90. Its backseat is the perfect place to enjoy the exceptional advancements of convenience, safety, and performance. But let's take this in first. Beautiful. The imposing design of the crest grille with its unique G-matrix pattern impresses from far and near. The same G-matrix pattern is also applied to the quad lamp to create that sparkling crystal look. The separate intake grille on the lower bumper highlights the low and wide stance at the front. As you can see, the consistency of the design is even visible in the smallest details. But let's move on. This car appeals to all your senses. Even if your eyes are closed. With dynamic and three-dimensional audio from the premium 17 speakers Lexicon sound system, you forget about the world around you. Controlling the climate in this case is easy. Set your own feel-good temperature only once. The Auto Comfort Control coordinates all available climate functions to meet your needs. The full-spanning bottom lamp and the separated top lamps with chrome outlines complete the consistent impression of sophisticated elegance. While being in the cabin, it pays to take a look outside. These proportions are aesthetically balanced out with an elegant parabolic line and athletic power lines. Don't miss this. Take a look at the 19-inch G-matrix pattern dish wheels before they start spinning again. Although sitting inside, you'll never run out of fresh air. Since the G90 knows, based on your navigation map data, when smelly odors or entering a tunnel might disturb you, its Recirculation Mode Plus automatically closes the window and filters the air inside. Or you can always use the air purification mode to get a fresh air boost anytime you want. Thanks to the wireless charging system available both front and rear, you'll never be out of touch with the world. You see, sometimes looking back is important, even though it's not the way to go. For this reason, the G90's driving rear view monitor makes sure that you're still aware of what you've already left behind. You may know which target you want to achieve next, but the G90 knows the best way to do it. With its over-the-air navigation update, your road maps are always up to date while driving. Keep straight, even if you digress from the topic. The lane following assist ensures you stay in the center of the lane. Sometimes, life wants to surprise you unnoticed. The G90 makes sure you're prepared because its blind spot view monitor provides a video of every vehicle that's approaching undetected in the direction you're trying to go. Distracted? Nothing should ever throw you off course. That's why the G90's Forward Collision Avoidance Assist always keeps your goals in mind and guides you back on track. It also detects cars, pedestrians, and even bicycles in front. The Surround View monitor makes parking really easy. Watch out! Even if you don't, the G90 keeps its eyes on the road for you, with a safe exit assist that works on every door. No need to come back to an overheated cabin. Thanks to the remote control feature of the Genesis Connected Services app, you can control the climate in the car and make it comfortable at the touch of a button. The side repeater, yet another perfectly integrated design feature that visually extends the headlamps to the fender area when switched on. To see and be seen is important, at least in traffic. While you back out, the rear guide lamps make your G90 more visible, and that helps everyone else on the go. Of course, your eyes can't be everywhere. That's why the G90's rear cross traffic collision warning uses the rear radars on both sides to warn of approaching traffic, and the avoidance assist helps you brake in an emergency. Don't worry. No matter what the road conditions are, the G90 stays stable and guarantees maximum comfort with Genesis Adaptive Control Suspension. With the high beam assist of the G90, you're on the safe side and protect the opposite side as well. It's designed to minimize glare for other drivers by automatically switching between high beam and low beam, but also provides you with the best possible illumination. Fascinating. Smart Cruise Control keeps the distance to vehicles in front of you when they slow down. It even stops if you have to and drives on automatically when you can go on. The G90 is a car you can trust because in case you miss something, it knows what to do. You know, life doesn't always run straight. The G90 easily balances out upcoming inconsistencies, even in curves, by using navigation map data. Chrome switches, double stitching and piping, real open pore wood. It not only looks good, but it must feel good as well. If you need to set a special atmosphere, the car also comes with ambient lighting. Nice, isn't it? The dual monitors for rear passengers ensure that nobody in the back ever runs out of high-class entertainment. What makes this even more enjoyable, active noise control technology reduces noise from the engine, so you can understand every single word, especially in the back seat. And whatever you want to play with next, the G90 has the space for it. With a trunk volume of 471 liters, it's the biggest in its segment. See? Until next time, its 14-way adjustable seat in the back and 22-way adjustable driver's seat with built-in memory function will never forget you. Just as you won't forget your ride in the Genesis G90.